Okay, children, we have read till this line. The rebel regrets the absence of the sun. Now, I can see that there are some more stanzas left in this poem. Let us finish that also, and then we will move towards the question answers. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. As we have read till now, that the rebel is always interested in doing something which is different. The rebel does not do what others do. He behaves a little differently. So in this line also, it is written that when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home. He does not go to the meeting. He prefers to stay at home and read a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So as I just told you, and as you have also seen till now, that the rebel does things differently. He does not want to imitate others. He does not want to copy others, but tries to do something which others are not doing. So when everybody goes out to attend a meeting, he prefers to stay at home and read a book. Whereas when everybody prefers to stay at home and read a book, he prefers to go and attend the meeting. When everybody says, yes, please, the rebel says, no, thank you. Here also he shows his difference of opinion. When everybody says, yes, please, at anything, any conversation or any, you can say something is offered to them, they say, yes, please, or they enter into any talk or any conversation and they want to say, give the answer as yes, please. In that case also, the rebel does not do the same. He says, no, thank you. He does not accept the offer, or he does not agree to the argument going on or to the talk conversation going on. When everybody says no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. Here also just the reverse. Earlier we have seen that when everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. Whereas when everybody says no, thank you, then the rebel says yes, please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Now, the poet is ending by saying that it is very good that we have rebels. Now, in the question answers also you will see that there is a question why it is good to have rebels. Why we should have rebels. Now, here the moral of this line is, the poet is saying it is very good that we have rebels, because if we have rebels around us, then they will teach us to be tolerant. If we have people, if we have even one person around us who does not agree to what we say, then in that case we must respect their decision. We must respect their opinion, because everybody in the world has freedom of expression. We all are free to express ourselves, to say yes or no according to our judgment. It is not compulsory that whatever the world is doing or saying, we should also follow them blindly. So it is good to have rebels, because when we have rebels around us, then directly or indirectly we learn how to be tolerant towards others. Because if they will have difference of opinion, we will for some time we may object and think that he is not a suitable person, he is objecting to what we are saying. But later on we will realize that others also have their own thinking, others have the freedom to express themselves freely, and that is why rebels are necessary, because they teach us how to be tolerant. And we also learn to accept those people who are different. We accept those people who think differently, who have a different perspective, who have a different point of view. Then the last line is, you may not find it very good to be one. That means it is not very much advisable to be a rebel oneself. The poet is saying it is not very much advisable to be a rebel oneself. Because why it is not advisable? Because people don't like those people who are rebels. They are criticized, they are rebuked. Okay, so the poet says that it is good that we should have rebels around us, but it is not very good to be a rebel oneself. So here the poem comes to an end. Now we will do some very small and easy question answers. I am reading out the question and I will also read out the answer, and these question answers you have to do in your copy wherever you have been doing your work till now. Question number 1 is, if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? A very interesting question. If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, suppose there is some boy in your class, some girl in your class who comes in a casual dress, he or she does not come in a school uniform, then what do you think the teacher is going to do? What are you going to expect the teacher to do in that case? The answer will be that if someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, firstly the teacher will ask the reason, and then she might also scold that student. So this is going to be your answer 1. Question number 2. When everybody wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? As we have read in the poem that the rebel always wants something different. So in the question it is asking, when everybody wants a clear sky, that means they want bright sunshine, clear sky, what does the rebel want? The answer will be, when everybody wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain. When everybody wants a clear sky, the rebel wants rain. Question number 3. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? This also we have read in the question that when the rebel has a dog, he expects others to have a cat. When others have a cat, then he opposes and he wants a dog for himself. So in the question it is asking, if the rebel has a dog for a pet, what is everyone else likely to have? Your answer is going to be like this. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, everyone else is likely to have cats. Everyone else is likely to have cats. Next question. Question number 4. Why is it good to have rebels? A very important question, I must say. Why is it good to have rebels? Answer is, it is good to have rebels because they are different from others and they teach us to be tolerant and accept those who have a different opinion. I am repeating. It is good to have rebels because they are different from others and they teach us to be tolerant and accept those who have a different opinion. Alright, so this is answer number 4. Question number 5. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? The answer is, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because people don't like those who are rebels and such people are often criticized. I am repeating the whole answer. It is not good to be a rebel oneself because people don't like those who are rebels and such people are often criticized. CRITICIZED. If you remember, Some time back, I read the last two lines of the poem, which are, "It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one." Do you remember? I told you that it is very good that we should have rebels around us because they teach us tolerance, they teach us to bear others and to respect others' feelings, but it is not very much advisable, it is not very good to be a rebel oneself. So this is the question, why it is not good to be a rebel oneself? Because people don't like those who are rebels, and such people are often criticized. Next question, question number 6. Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? If not, why not? Now children, this is a question which can have different answers. I think that yes, one should be a rebel. Maybe you think no, one should not be a rebel. So I am giving you the answer according to my opinion. But if you think that you want the answer as no, then please, you are most welcome to write your own opinion, give your own reason why you are saying no. But remember, reason is important. Only don't leave the answer with yes or no. Then you will not get any marks in the exam. So if you are writing yes, then also a reason is required. If you are writing no, then also a suitable reason is required. I will give you the answer according to my opinion, okay? Would you like to be a rebel? If yes, why? Answer is yes, I would like to be a rebel because I would have my own opinion, I would think differently, and would not accept others' viewpoint blindly. I would have my own identity. I am repeating the whole answer for you. Yes, I would like to be a rebel because I would have my own opinion, I would think differently, and would not accept others' viewpoint blindly. I would have my own identity. Alright? So if you think that you agree to my answer, you can write this answer. You can express your answer in your own words. You can change the language of the answer. Or if you are writing no, then you are most welcome to give your own reasons why you say no. Now question number 7. Find in the poem an antonym for each of the following words. Some words are there and you have to find an antonym in the poem itself. What is an antonym now? Maybe you know. Those who don't know, I am telling you. Antonym means opposite. In Hindi you call it Vilom Shabd. Alright? Antonym means opposite. Please remember this word, because in the exam also you will not get the word opposite. You will get the word antonym in class 7 or in class 8, 9, 10, wherever in the question paper antonym word is used, you have to write the opposite word. The first word is long. What is the antonym of long? Short. I am telling you the antonyms also. Long, short. Second is grow. Grow, cut. Remember children, the antonyms are given in the poem itself. You don't have to think of any other antonym. You have to take the antonym given in the poem itself. So long was short, grow, cut. Next is quietness. Quietness, disturbance. Disturbance. Sober, fantastic. Sober, fantastic. And lost, last word is lost, and the antonym is find. F-I-N-D, find. I am repeating all the words along with the antonym. Long, short. Grow, cut. Quietness, disturbance. Sober, fantastic. Lost, find. Now these are 7 questions which you have to do in the copy. There is one more question which you have to do in the copy. The question is, Read the following extract and answer the questions. Read the extract given below. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Now children, in this question, what you are supposed to do? First of all, you will write this question in your copy. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Then I am reading out the lines, I am reading out the extract. Your answer is going to be from this extract only. Remember, your answer is given in this extract only. You have to copy down these lines from the poem. I am reading out the lines. Later on, you can open the poem in front of you and you have to copy down these lines in your classwork copy. The lines are: when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. This is the extract. Question number 1. Name the poem from which the above lines have been taken. I am 100% sure all of you know the answer. The answer is The Rebel. Please remember, don't write answers in one word. You have to write answers in complete sentences, always in English. So, how you will write? The name of the poem from which the above lines have been taken is The Rebel. Alright? Question number 2. Who is the poet? Now, the name of the poet is given at the end of the poem. I am telling you the name of the poet just now, but later on when you will write the answer in your copy, please see the correct spelling from your poem. The name of the poet is written at the end of the poem. The name of the poet is D.J.N. Wright. D.J.N. Wright. See the spelling later on. Question number 3. What does the rebel do when everybody talks during the lesson? Now, where you will get the answer? You will get the answer in the extract which you have written. I am reading out the answer to you. It is given in the extract. First, I am reading the question again. What does the rebel do when everybody talks during the lesson? The answer is, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. Alright? Now, last question. When does the rebel create a disturbance? When does the rebel create a disturbance? Again, the answer is in the extract. Answer is, the rebel creates a disturbance when nobody talks during the lesson. The rebel creates a disturbance when nobody talks during the lesson. Alright, so you have to write 7 questions in your copy plus this extract question in your copy along with the lines of the extract. Okay, so do your work neatly, and in our next class we will start a new lesson which I will let you know very soon. All the best, keep safe, stay at home. Thank you.